Hey guys, what's up? Today I will show you how to get Altstore on your Android or iOS devices. No root or jailbreak required. You will not need the computer for this, and this takes like 1 or 2 minutes, guys. And once it's installed, it will not get revoked. So let's begin. If you're on an iOS device, go to Settings, General, background app refresh, and make sure that it's turned on. Also the Wi-Fi and cellular data, this is really important. And now open up your browser and type in inject.club. Okay guys, this is the site, and now scroll down and find the Altstore. It's right there. Okay, Altstore, and now press this inject button right here and it will start downloading Altstore into your device. So let's be patient. Let's wait until this blue bar finishes loading until the end. Okay, and as I've said, guys, no root, no revokes, no jailbreak required. Okay, and now we have been redirected to this page. It says that a verification is required, and also to install and run two of the apps below for at least 30 seconds, and after that Altstore will instantly download. Okay guys, let's choose any two apps from the list below. For example, download and install this app, then run it for 30 seconds. Okay, and now let's choose a second app from the list. These are from the App Store, or if you're on an Android phone, from the Google Play Store, so they are safe. And if you do everything correctly and follow my steps, by the end you'll have Altstore installed on your device without any sort of problems. Okay, and now let's open the first app. And like the instructions stated, guys, we must keep it open for a short amount of time. Make sure to interact with the app for a bit, not just keep it opened like I'm doing right here. And yeah, it's pretty simple, guys, as you can see. Now I'll go ahead and do the same for the second app. In my case, VPN Vault, but in your case, it can be different. So I'm just doing the exact same thing, just keeping the app open for a short amount of time, interacting with it. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. This is the tutorial. Now make sure to go back to your browser and check for the completion if everything was successful. But if for any reason you did not get it, you can always come back and install some more apps. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial. Like, subscribe and share. Peace out.